We are heading into the LEGOLAND Water Park. We are so excited. It's a very hot day, and so we're ready to go have some thrills. Are y'all ready for an adventure?
Let's go!
Let's go!
Let's go!
Headed to the water park. Small locker is 15, large locker is 18, and a jumbo locker is 20. Those are some of the blue cabanas that you can rent for the day, and then this is kind of the kiddie play area. And then also where you enter for going around the lazy river. It's called Build-A-Raft because you play with Legos on it. As soon as you come over the bridge, you have the Build-A-Boat area, a Lego Imagination Station, and the really big wave pool with the Lego shark in the back. And the restrooms and changing areas are right here, and also some lockers. We like to get seats over by the Joker Soaker. Lots of places to run around and have fun over here. The cabanas at the Joker Soaker area start at $159, and then the ones over at the Duplo Splash area start at $129. We just sit in the normal seats because there's so much covering and so much available seating. When you rent a cabana, you do get free beach towels and a case of water. If you're gonna be here all day, maybe you have a big family or some little ones and you just want your own space or quiet area, then that might be worth it. But we just sit in the normal seats.
Not sure if it's the day of the week or what it is, but this blue slide and this big green slide are closed today. And then that kind of light blue tealish one is open. I'm gonna go meet Holden at the bottom. This one is also closed, so it's really only that one slide that's open today. Along with a couple little yellow body slides are also open. Was that fun?
Yeah! That was fun!
Life vests are provided for the kiddos. I love these little islands that they have out here. And of course, there's Lego bricks everywhere to play with.
Tell us what you're gonna do.
I'm going to jump off my dad's leg into the water and then do a mermaid. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da!
We have another video about our experience in the main LEGOLAND theme park, but in that video we show you the main park opens at 10, the water park opens at 11, so what we like to do is at 10 o'clock book it over to Masters of Flight, Emmett's Triple Decker Couch, ride that, and then catch a couple rides on our walk back to the water park so that it kind of breaks up that very long walk back there, and then get here right when it opens at 11, and then find our seats, and it always works out. These are called the Twin Chasers.
48 inches, so I can do those. I'm not doing those.
They've got 3 no tube slides, 2 tube slides. Wave park straight ahead over there and to the right. There's all the smaller water slides. Whoa! This is fun! Almost fell out there. Going backward. Not a fan. Whoa! Oh!
We're ready.
Are you ready?
Who goes first? Me and
We do. Push! Jump out! Boom! Do we make it?
There's a seating area over here if you want to hang out and watch everybody coming down the slides. This is where you come pick up the single or double tubes, and to be a single rider, you have to be 48 inches on these. More life vests over here to grab. These 3 are called Splash Out, and you have to be 48 inches.
Lay back.
Here comes Skyla. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
It's not fun.
He made a bigger splash than y'all did.
I just have to say, doing that body slide, ow! My back hurts. You can feel all those rivets every time, it feels like.
Next to the Twin Chasers, they also have an additional seating area which goes back pretty far on the grass over here. Over by the Twin Chasers are also some really good picnic spots and more seats. I love that they tell you for the garbage cans and benches and things how many recycled jugs made that item. The waves have officially started. They're very gentle waves. They're out there somewhere.
I would definitely say this is the calmest of wave pools you will ever be in your life.
Okay, I'm gonna go further and dive into waves.
They have the beach brick grill. The kids are eating Nutella and banana sandwiches for lunch today.
I want to clean off my hands.
Okay. And we got another.
What do you need?
Total sub.
So good every time. Shout out to Scott for grabbing these this morning. He's the real MVP. What do you got going on over here? Oh, you're just...
You gotta shoot the water going. This one goes the fastest.
Oh, gotcha, okay.
I'm currently going the fastest.
You're going very fast. Skyla's building her boat. We're gonna race them. Oh, it's coming though. It's coming. Oh man, overboard.
Ready, set, go!
What does it feel like?
It feels like there should, it looks like there should be water in there, but there's not. Part 1 and none of it got destroyed. So I'm proud of that.
Good job.
Whoa. 3, 2.
Whoa! Here it goes. Next to this is a really nice shady area to have a picnic. Say hi. river raft icy for $6 over by the lazy river. You are allowed to take towels from the hotel and bring them over here, or bring your own beach towels, of course. They don't have them provided here though. We just don't bring any towels, and we just air dry and get changed. Because we carry our pack around all day, we don't want to weigh it down with towels, so that's what we do. And it worked out great the last trip and this trip too, because the water park is literally in the very back of the park. So the first time we came, we tried to go all the way to the hotel, get changed, and come back, and we wasted a lot of time and steps. So this way was a lot easier. Just air dry, get changed. It's almost 2 o'clock and we're heading out of the water park. We had a great time here today, but we have some Ninjago days things that we need to do. The kids' favorite thing was honestly the wave pool, and it makes me really excited that we have annual passes to Myrtle Waves and to Wild Water and Wheels in Myrtle Beach this summer, and we'll be putting up posts about those soon.
We'll put a link in the description down below of our tour of the main park.
Goodbye for now, water park. We hope you had fun at the LEGOLAND Water Park with us. We had a great time, and if you have any questions, just let us know. We'll be happy to answer them. And as always,
Keep adventuring!
this is the path up to the water park. It's really long, but it's worth it.